We're going to talk about something that's very powerful, yet often ignored: the mind and mental strength. We hear a lot about physical fitness, building muscles, eating healthy, and staying active. But what about the strength of our mind? Mental strength is what helps us push through challenges, stay calm under pressure, and keep moving forward even when life gets tough. So in this video, we'll break down what is mental strength, why it's important, simple habits you can build to strengthen your mind, and some tips to stay mentally tough during hard times. Stay with me till the end, because this might just change the way you handle life. What is mental strength? Mental strength doesn't mean being emotionless or pretending that you're okay when you're not. It's not about avoiding problems either. Instead, mental strength is the ability to manage your emotions, stay focused, and keep going, even when things are difficult. Think of it like this. Just like your body has muscles that get stronger with exercise, your mind also has mental muscles. And when you train them, you become stronger inside. Someone with mental strength doesn't break easily under stress. They may feel sad, angry, or anxious, but they know how to deal with those feelings instead of letting the feelings control them. Why is mental strength important? Now you might wonder, why do I even need mental strength? Here are a few reasons. Life is unpredictable. Challenges will come: exams, work pressure, failures, heartbreaks, or even health issues. Mental strength helps you face them without giving up. Focus and productivity. A strong mind can ignore distractions and stay focused on goals. Better relationships. When you're mentally strong, you don't overreact easily. You can handle conflicts calmly. Happiness and peace. At the end of the day, your peace of mind matters most. Strong mental health helps you stay positive and balanced. So you see, mental strength is not just useful, it's essential for every part of life. Habits that build mental strength. Now let's get practical. How do you actually build mental strength? Here are some simple but powerful habits. Practice self-awareness. Notice your thoughts. Are they mostly negative? Do you often say things like, "I can't do this," or "I'm not good enough"? Your mind listens to what you tell it, so start replacing negative self-talk with positive ones. For example, instead of saying, "This is impossible," try saying, "This is tough, but I can figure it out." Step out of your comfort zone. Mental strength grows when you challenge yourself. It could be speaking up in class, trying a new skill, or even exercising when you don't feel like it. Every small challenge you face makes you tougher for bigger challenges. Control what you can, accept what you can't. A lot of stress comes from trying to control everything, but here's the truth: you can't. Focus on what's in your control. For example, you can't control if it rains today, but you can carry an umbrella. You can't control other people's behavior, but you can control your reaction. This mindset saves a lot of energy and makes your mind stronger. Build healthy routines. Your mental strength is deeply connected to your body. Simple things like sleeping well, eating healthy, and exercising regularly make a huge difference. A tired and unhealthy body makes the mind weak. So treat your body well, and your mind will thank you. Practice gratitude. Every night, write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as small as a good meal, a supportive friend, or just being healthy. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's wrong to what's right, and that builds resilience. How to stay mentally strong during hard times. Now let's talk about the tough part: what to do when life really tests you. Accept your emotions. Don't run away from your feelings. If you're sad, allow yourself to feel sad. If you're anxious, acknowledge it. Suppressing emotions only makes them stronger. Mentally strong people feel emotions fully, but they don't let those emotions control their actions. Break problems into smaller steps. When life feels overwhelming, don't try to fix everything at once. For example, if you fail an exam, instead of saying, "I'm a failure," break it down. What went wrong? What can I improve? What's the next small step I can take? This way, even big problems become manageable. Surround yourself with positive energy. Your environment matters. Spend time with people who lift you up, not those who constantly pull you down. If you can't find positive people, fill your mind with positive books, videos, or podcasts. Keep moving forward. The strongest minds are not the ones that never fall. They are the ones that fall, but keep getting back up. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of success. Remember this whenever you feel like giving up. Mental strength is not something you're born with. It's something you build every day. By being self-aware, stepping out of your comfort zone, focusing on what you can control, and building healthy routines, you'll slowly but surely become stronger inside. Life will never be free of problems, but with a strong mind, you can handle them with courage, patience, and confidence. So that's it for today's video on mind and mental strength. Remember, your mind is your greatest power. Train it, and it will take you anywhere you want to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.